Well, the rain fading away this afternoon, mainly just clouds out there now. You can see radar going back since early this afternoon, and the rain has really kind of tailed off. But if you watch the loop start again right about there, you see it was raining pretty well over the lower valley today, especially in Cameron County. Some of the showers, though, you still see out there in the Gulf could try to pop up at times and return during the day tomorrow. So may not be totally dry on Thursday, but not as much widespread rain. And there's First 1.5 Dolphin Network in the lower valley where it was raining earlier today. Look at the rainfall totals. This is since midnight. Over an inch of rain in Cameron County, and most of these darker blue areas, at least a half an inch to about an inch of rain. You see we go down the scale there. Over in Weslaco, only about a quarter of an inch of rain, a little less than that in Donna and toward McAllen. So lower valley rains today, and still I think probably the better chance if you do see a couple showers tomorrow, mostly in Cameron and Wilsey counties. Rain chances, I made a nice little pretty graph for you. They stay a little low, 10 to 20% for some little bit of light rain and drizzle later tonight, but not much rain to go around. And during the day tomorrow, we could bump up rain chances to about 30%, especially during the late morning and afternoon hours. But a few showers, probably not any widespread heavy rain, but maybe a few little rain showers getting going as we warm up a bit and the wind flow turns more toward the east. Current temperatures are in the 60s, but we have managed finally to get back to 70 in some areas, 70 in Brownsville, even 71 in Edinburgh, and still 67 though in Weslaco and 68 in a lot of places. The wind flow is still lightly from the northwest across the area, still bringing down some of that cool air, but future track winds, if you kind of watch the directions here, they show kind of west or northwest or so this evening, very light. All the way through late tonight, you still see a very light northwest wind, and then still in the morning, kind of still a very light northwest wind. But eventually during the day, I think those winds will, even though they stay very light, will turn more eventually to the northeast and east by afternoon. So as that happens, that helps to eventually break apart the cool air that's here and bring back maybe a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, but still at least a chance for showers. You see some of that rain is still hanging offshore, so it might pull in a few showers at times tomorrow. But you see most of Texas, once you get north of the valley, is all clear. Once you get north of about Corpus Christi and Alice, it's mainly clear skies out there this evening. So most of Texas is dry and a little warmer today. Cool weather still hanging in there tonight on Future Track, and Future Track tries to show a flare-up. This might be a little strong, but a flare-up of a couple of rain showers near the coast overnight and spreading inland toward morning. So that's why we still keep the chance for a little rain overnight in some areas. And then during the day tomorrow, as we warm up, you start to see more and more holes in the clouds by afternoon, and a couple of little showers may pop up from time to time, but we're not expecting any big rain tomorrow. Friday, still same flow coming in off the Gulf is still fairly moist, so it could again bring a couple of showers at times, but otherwise a more of a partly to sometimes mostly cloudy day, and temperatures getting a little bit warmer again on Friday afternoon with some sun breaking through, and the same thing again on Saturday. We could have a couple of showers in spots, but the majority of the day looks dry and a bit warmer. So rain chances still at least 30% tomorrow. And if you had to break it down, again, probably a little higher in Cameron and Wilsey counties late tonight and tomorrow, and even Friday and Saturday, rain chances are lower, but not totally gone. I don't think they'll be totally gone until maybe about Tuesday, when we kind of wipe away everything, it looks like, for a while. If you are going toward the coast tomorrow, it's kind of wet there today, and tomorrow I think most of the time it looks dry, but really at any point during the day, maybe a shower could randomly pop up and move over the area for a while. So kind of watch the KRGB mobile weather app, you know, and get on there. This isn't it. This is a remote control, but you know, get on there and check the check the KRGB mobile app for the radar. You can always look up the latest radar anywhere you are in the valley. And your tides tomorrow afternoon, 2:53. A high tide then not until early Friday morning, just after midnight, and water temperatures in the low 80s. So tonight, most of the time is going to be dry. If you're outdoors this evening and tonight, probably almost all evening. Temperatures hovering in the 60s, dropping down to about 64 tonight. 83 tomorrow with some early morning clouds, still maybe a couple showers around, but we should see some sun break through during the midday and afternoon hours. And the First 1.5 70 forecast, if you really love today's temperatures, they're probably not coming back for a while, but a little warmer tomorrow, upper 80s to near 90 for the weekend. It will get rather humid again, so you see those lows in the low 70s, but a couple showers possible in spots each day. The next cold front, good news there if you like that, comes on Monday with a small drop in temperatures near 80, but you notice the humidity may be knocked down for a while, which could mean some cooler nights and sunnier days returning later next week by Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll continue to track it in your First 1.5 forecast again later this hour.